I asked a Mexican fan what Órale means. He said everything. I asked him to explain. That took 20 minutes. Here's the short version. The word is Órale. Orale. One word, 5 meanings. None of them are in any dictionary. First, where does Orale come from? Most people have no idea. The word comes from the Spanish phrase ahora. It literally means now to him. Over decades of use in Mexico, it lost its original meaning completely and became something new. A word that expresses everything and nothing at the same time. Purely Mexican, purely informal. You will not hear it in Spain. You will not hear it in Argentina. Only in Mexico. And that brings up something important. Who uses Órale and who does not? Órale is specific to Mexico. If you say Órale to someone from Spain, they will understand you, but it will sound strange, like hearing an American say mate. Technically understandable, but clearly not natural. If you say Órale to someone from Argentina, they might laugh, because in Argentina, they have their own words for the same situations, boludo, dale, che. Each Spanish-speaking country has its version. Órale is Mexico's, purely and completely Mexican. Now, the 5 meanings.
Meaning 1. Hurry up, let's go, move it. The game starts in 5 minutes and your friend is still eating. You say, Órale, get moving, now. This is the most common meaning tourists encounter first.
Meaning 2. Okay, agreed, sounds good. You and a Mexican fan agree to meet at the stadium at 7. They say, Órale. It means deal, confirmed, see you there. No handshake needed. Órale closes the agreement.
Meaning 3. Wow, seriously? No way. Something completely unexpected happens. Your team scores in the last second. Everyone around you says, Orale. Pure shock and amazement. One word covers the entire emotion. Meaning 4. Come on, you can do it. Keep going. Your team is losing 2-0 at halftime. The fan next to you yells, Orale. Not to insult, to encourage. Come on, fight back. Do not give up.
Meaning 5. There you go, exactly. Told you so. You predicted your team would win. They win. Your friend looks at you. You say, Orale. See? Exactly what I said. I was right. Now let me show you Orale in real conversations so you can actually use it. Situation 1. At the food stand. Vendor finishes making your tacos, hands them to you, says, Orale. You say, Orale. Translation? Here you go. Got it, thanks. Full conversation, 2 words, done. Situation 2. Walking to the stadium. Your friend is walking too slow. You say, Orale, güey, el partido empieza. Orale, dude, the game is starting. Natural, local, correct. Situation 3. Your team just scored. Everyone jumps. Everyone screams. Someone next to you grabs your shoulder, says, Orale, Orale, Orale. Each one gets louder. Each one means something slightly different. First, wow. Second, yes. Third, let's go. 1 word, 3 emotions, 5 seconds. That is Orale. Now here is something most people never learn. The way you say Orale changes the meaning completely. Fast and sharp, Orale means hurry up or let's go. Orale means extreme surprise. Something almost unbelievable just happened. Quiet and calm, Orale means okay, agreed, no problem. Same word, same letters, completely different message depending on how you say it. One more thing, Orale versus andale. Tourists confuse these constantly. Andale is almost always about speed. Hurry, move faster, let's go now. Orale is more flexible. It can mean speed, but also agreement, surprise, and encouragement. If you only learn one, learn Orale. It covers more situations. One last thing before the recap. Orale is not formal, ever. Do not say Órale to a police officer. Do not say Órale in a job interview. Do not say Órale to someone older unless you know them well. It is purely informal. Friends, fellow fans, street vendors, that is the world of Órale. Use it in the right context and Mexicans will be genuinely impressed. Use it in the wrong context and it will be awkward. Now you know the difference.
Final recap. Órale means hurry up. Okay, agreed. Wow, seriously. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Exactly. 5 meanings, 1 word. Now you know more about Órale than most Spanish teachers. If this helped you, hit the like button right now. Subscribe so you do not miss the next word explained like this. Turn on the bell. YouTube will not show you the video otherwise. Nos vemos en el Mundial. See you at the World Cup.